AI isn't just the future, it's the present. In 2025, people all over the world are making real money with artificial intelligence. And today, I'm going to show you the best AI tools that you can start using right now to create income streams, whether it's through content creation, freelancing, or even smart investing. Stick around until the end, because some of these tools can literally build a business for you in just minutes. Let's start with content creation. The number one way people are monetizing AI in 2025. Number one, ChatGPT, now powered by GPT-5. This AI can write full YouTube scripts, blog posts, social media captions, and even business proposals. Freelancers are making thousands of dollars by offering writing services online. And the secret? Many of them are using AI like ChatGPT to do it faster. Number two, Midjourney and Stable Diffusion. These are AI art generators. People use them to design t-shirts, posters, book covers, and even YouTube thumbnails. Print-on-demand businesses are exploding thanks to AI art. Number three, Runway ML. If you've seen those crazy AI-generated video clips on TikTok or YouTube Shorts, most of them are made with Runway ML. This tool lets you create studio-quality videos without a camera crew, which means you can sell video editing services or grow your own viral channel without showing your face. Number four, 11 Labs. Yes, even this video you're listening to right now could have been made with 11 Labs. It generates ultra-realistic AI voices, perfect for YouTube narration, podcasts, or audiobooks. People are charging for AI voiceovers on platforms like Fiverr, and clients don't even know it's AI. Next, let's move into business and productivity tools. Because AI isn't just about making art, it's about building entire businesses. Tool number five, Jasper AI. This is one of the most powerful marketing AIs out there. It writes ad copy, product descriptions, and entire marketing campaigns. Marketers use Jasper to boost conversions, and freelancers can use it to offer copywriting services. Tool number six, Copy.ai. Similar to Jasper, but tailored for small businesses. It can create email campaigns, social media posts, and sales content in seconds. Imagine running multiple client accounts at once, all with AI doing most of the heavy lifting. Tool number seven, Durable AI. Now this one is wild. Durable AI can create a fully functional business website in under a minute. All you do is type in the kind of business you want, and Durable builds the site instantly. Freelancers are already using it to deliver websites to clients in record time and charging full price. Now, if you're looking for quick side hustles, you can start today. These AI tools are perfect. Tool number eight, Synthesia. This creates AI avatar videos. Companies are paying for spokesperson videos without hiring real actors. You can offer this as a service on freelance platforms, and you don't need a camera or a studio. Tool number nine, Play.ht. This is another AI voiceover tool, but it specializes in creating voices for e-learning, audiobooks, and podcasts. You can generate professional narrations and sell them to clients. Tool number 10, Canva AI, also called Magic Studio. Canva has leveled up with AI features like Magic Write and Magic Design. You can instantly create logos, marketing materials, and social media graphics. Small businesses are always looking for affordable design services. AI makes it possible to deliver fast and at scale. Of course, many people are asking, can AI actually help with investing? The answer is yes, but with caution. Tool number 11, Tickeron and Jarvis Invest. These tools analyze stock and crypto markets using AI. Traders use them for smarter decisions and risk analysis. Remember, investing is always risky, but AI gives you a huge advantage in research. Tool number 12, Automated Crypto Bots. Platforms now allow AI-powered bots to trade for you. Some people are making money passively, but others lose big. So this is one area where you need to do your homework before investing. Before we wrap up, here are a few bonus tools worth mentioning. Tool number 13, Opus Clip. This one takes long videos and automatically turns them into short viral clips, perfect for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. Tool number 14, Perplexity AI. Think of it as ChatGPT mixed with Google. You can use it to research faster and even create content that's always backed by sources. Tool number 15, HeyGen. This tool generates AI avatars for business and explainer videos, and it's already being used by companies worldwide. So there you have it, 15 of the best AI tools to make money in 2025. From creating content to building websites, freelancing, and even investing, the opportunities are endless. Which one would you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more AI money-making tips, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. This is just the beginning. The AI revolution is here, and the smartest thing you can do is learn how to use it to your advantage.